creating the bay's distinctive shape. Ancient Rumasala Temple sits amid dense vegetation where traditional healers still gather medicinal herbs believed to be remnants of herbs dropped by Hanuman in the Ramayana epic. The beach's gentle curves create perfect conditions for year-round swimming, unlike many of Sri Lanka's southern beaches. Now that we've journeyed through Sri Lanka's extraordinary wonders, from the tea-covered hills of Ella to the amazing Sigiriya Rock Fortress, it's your turn to